Okay, now we are in the second part of the session. Remember that in the first part, we went to the meanings of some of the words, and obviously we were using some of, we are going to remember this. Natalia Ponce, please, okay? Start reading some of the words, please.
What makes you feel? Energetic. Upset,
Annoyed,
happy,
annoyed,
annoyed, upset, happy, calm, frightened.
frightened. Okay, pay attention to the questions. Here we have some central questions. What makes you feel? What makes you feel annoyed? What makes you feel upset? What makes you feel happy? What makes you feel calm? What makes you feel frightened? You are going to use this question with each of the words. Did you see? Again, what is the next question? What do you do when you are, attention, what do you do when you are sad? What do you do when you are bored? What do you do when you are hungry? What do you do when you are thirsty? What do you do when you are tired? What do you do when you are bored? What do you do when you are thirsty? Okay, did you see? Question number 3. When did, attention, when did you last feel excited and why? When did you last feel nervous and why? When did you last feel embarrassed and why? When did you feel angry and why? So you are going to use this block of questions. There is a total, attention, there is a total, attention everybody, there is a total of 14 questions, a total of 14 questions and 14 answers, using emotions, Look at the examples. Look at the examples given. Attention. You have a total of 14 questions and 14 answers using emotions. Here you have, attention to the following. Here you have, in this section, you have some of the sentences. For example, thunderstorms makes me feel frightened, for example. Or when I'm sad, I watch a funny program. Short sentences and so explicit about it, okay? Those information that you are going to work into the PowerPoint template. Estas preguntas y estas respuestas a estas preguntas personales las van a trabajar en el PowerPoint template. Las van a trabajar en el PowerPoint template. Al final vamos a hacer una revisión de todas las actividades que tienen que trabajar ahí, ¿ok? Well, using this vocabulary that we are going to have here, also we have the next activity. Taire, start reading, please.
Look at the photos and write sentences. How to for make you feel? How do you think the people feel?
Okay. How the photos, for example, look at the picture A. What is the example title?
Eyes,
Sorry?
picture, ¿cómo?
Read the information.
Picture made me feel hungry.
Picture A makes me feel hungry. Repeat.
Picture A made me feel hungry.
Okay. So continue with the picture B using the vocabulary. Natalie Diaz, what happened with the picture B? What you're going to say about the picture B, Natalie?
Picture B makes me feel
Look at in the book, look the expressions in the book. Look the emoticons that you have here.
Okay. Picture B makes me feel calm.
Very good, excellent. Makes me feel calm. Okay, excellent. Continue with the next one. For example, Mercy Verduga. What happened with you in the picture C? Mercy Verduga. Mercy? Mercy Verduga. What happened with the picture C? Mercy. Okay, Diana, tell me, Diana Maldonado.
Maybe in the picture C makes me feel tired.
Makes me feel worried. Okay, that's good. Makes me feel worried. Thank you, Diana, sorry. Okay, continue. Alejandra Anchundia. Alejandra Chundia, what about the picture D?
The picture D makes me feel very excited.
Okay, very good. You are expressing the emotions. You are expressing the emotions, okay, that we have into this one. Different emotions according to the feelings that you have. Remember that what are the feelings? Here you have the feelings, okay? Here you have the feelings about that. Looking in this case, Suarez Dalia, what about the picture A? What are your feelings when you see the picture A, Dalia? It's your personal comment.
Pues yo creo que
It's personal, huh? Picture A.
B.
Sorry.
B.
But what is the description of this picture for you? Picture?
Picture B.
No, I need that you work with the A. What is for you the A? Read, miss, picture?
Picture A make me feel angry.
Okay, stop. Repeat.
Picture A make me feel angry.
Stop. No, stop. Picture A makes me feel, and what is the emotion for you? Hungry is for the example. Hungry is for the example. No more the example. It's about you. Picture A makes me feel what? Look in the box of the emoticons that you have. What is the feeling for you? It's personal. Dalia.
Picture me feel. It's the emotion, no?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Picture A me feel. No es lo que produce el helado, mi hambre.
Yes. I cannot see that. For example, some people said hungry. For some people, feel relaxed. For some people, it's depending on the emotion that you want. If I invite you, what is the feeling?
Picture make feel happy.
Very good, because if I invite you to an ice cream, you are going to say that you are going to be happy. That's very good, okay? So, bye, baby. Denme un segundito, chicos, ¿sí? Okay, well, now we continue with the letter C. Now we continue with the letter C. Ernesto Pozo. Look at the picture C. Look at the picture C. Okay, look at the picture C. Ernesto.
Picture C make me feel sad.
Okay, very good, okay. Continue, Mercy Verduga. What about the picture B? Mercy, ya es hora de que ya hayas despertado y ya hayas visto lo que tus compañeros han hecho. What makes you the picture B? Mercy. Más fácil no puede ser. Tienes tanto en el primer bloque como en el segundo bloque tienes las respuestas. Picture. Estás más perdida que los restrepos y de remate te diste el lujo de apagar la cámara. Eso es el peor signo de mala educación que puedes hacer, hija mía.
I.
Okay. Valeska, continue. What about the letter B?
Picture, what miss?
B, please.
Picture B makes me feel happy.
Very good, okay? Depending on the emotions that you have in this case, and obviously you have on that, okay? Thank you. Dominic Gonzalez, look at the picture D. Look at the picture D.
Picture D makes me feel excited.
Okay, that's very good. Excited. Okay, very good. So those are some of the conditions that we are going to work with this. Some of the conditions that you are going to work with this, okay? And obviously you are going to work on the activity number 10. Janina, start reading, please, Janina.
Choose an emotion from the questionnaire. Remember an experience when you felt that emotion and write a description. Think about these questions. Where, when, who was with you, what happened?
Read the example, please. Read the example.
I
Janina,
remember a time when I felt very frightened. We were on holiday by a deep river valley. There was a high bridge and we decided to go bungee jumping.
Very good, please. This is an example that you are going to follow. This is an example that you are going to follow. If you want to change, it's not problem for me. And obviously you are going to answer to this, okay? So you are going to narrate. You are going to write about your experience. You're going to narrate about the experience. How do you feel? You're going to remember about where, when, okay? Here you have in this. You are going to identify where, when, who was with you, and what happened, okay? So here you have some examples. Here you have some examples that you are going to fill according to this. You are going to find some examples about this. And obviously what you are going to do for this, you're going to use remember, when I felt very, we were on, okay? And you are explaining the place that you were, and you're giving some short details about that, okay? And you're going to express this. This information that you are going to work in the PowerPoint template. This information that you are going to work in the PowerPoint template, okay? Please, right now, I need that you go to the PowerPoint template. Please go with me, please, quickly. Very good. Well, and obviously here we have the students, okay? Here we have some students, okay, that you see. And we have, attention to this, we have the activity number 1, activity number 2, and activity number 3. The 3 activities that you are going to work. There are some students that started, very good. Some students that started and selected the page. Okay, very good, and selected the page. Remember that you have to duplicate. Remember to duplicate your worksheet in this case so you can work on that. And continue working on this, okay? So you have the activity number 1, activity number 2, and activity number 3 that you are going to complete. In the chat, please, in the Zoom chat, you have the form and you have the link for that. En el chat usted tiene, recuerde que tiene que ingresar al PowerPoint template de siempre. Usted ya tiene el enlace, es el mismo enlace que utilizamos siempre. Más sin embargo, está colocado en el Zoom chat en este momento para que lo recuerde. ¿Ok? Está colocado en el Zoom chat para que lo recuerde. Y para que pueda ingresar y comience a trabajar. ¿Ok? ¿Listo? De la misma manera en el Zoom chat tiene, el enlace del formulario. Tiene el enlace del formulario, ingrese por favor. En el Zoom chat tiene el link del formulario, ya lo había puesto, lo voy a volver a poner para aquellos que recién ingresaron y obviamente pues para que ingresen y comiencen a trabajar. Rapidito, por favor, ¿ok? Let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Let's do it, oops, my goodness, okay. Let's do it. Hurry up. Okay, let's do it. Hurry up. Let's do it quickly. Okay, very good. The students are working into the activities. Okay, very good. Let's do it. I need that you complete the attendance. 10 students now. Let's do it. 10 students now. 11 students. We are 17 students. Let's do it. Complete the link. Let's do it. Hurry up, okay? Mientras ustedes llenan la información, les recuerdo que ya está disponible a partir del día de hoy. Está disponible la asignación con que tienen que trabajar esta semana. Está disponible la asignación en el RLP, la asignación que tienen que trabajar esta semana. ¿Ok? ¿Listo? Esta semana no van a tener un test assignment. Esta semana no van a tener test assignment porque recién iniciamos la unidad. Esta semana no van a tener test assignment, solo van a tener el regular assignment que ustedes ven aquí, porque estamos iniciando la unidad. Por esa razón están trabajando en el PowerPoint template. ¿Ok? Para que ustedes tengan conocimiento. Let's do it quickly. Hurry up. ¿Ok? ¿Listo? Conclusión. Vamos a avanzar hasta aquí. Mientras ustedes llenan el formulario, algunos que les falta, ¿verdad? Para que ingresen, por favor. Número 1. Estamos ya en la recta final. Chicos. Así que pilas. Van a haber novedades en esas calificaciones. El PowerPoint template que estamos trabajando desde el segundo trimestre no es si es que quiero, es obligación trabajarlo, es calificado. Vuelvo y repito, lo he dicho por varias semanas y lo vuelvo a repetir. Yo no tengo problema. Comience a completar lo que le falte. Si le falta, complételo. No hay problema y no va a pasar absolutamente nada. Pero cuando yo ya dé el cierre y después usted quiera completar mándeme un trabajo porque esa nota está fatal. No lo voy a hacer. Y usted me conoce, yo no estoy amenazando. Lo que digo, lo hago. Eso no es amenaza. Estoy advirtiendo, por favor. Así que háganme la fineza de entrar y hacer lo que les falta por hacer. Número 2. En la plataforma de RLP, yo no entiendo, la gente se hace la olvidada o pretende olvidarse de las instrucciones con las cuales hemos trabajado todo el periodo lectivo. Hay gente que no está trabajando el class material, se olvidó de que lo tiene que hacer. Al momento tenemos la unidad starter a la unidad 5 terminado. Recuerde que si usted no hace, eso le va bajando. La plataforma absorbe un porcentaje general. Tiene que trabajarlas todas. Usted ya no me tiene que esperar a mí. Yo no tengo por qué decirle nada a nadie. Como hay un grupo de personas que realmente ya van hasta por la unidad 6 a la mitad y que no me esperan. Y está lógico porque es un entrenamiento propio. Pero hay otro grupo de personas que no hacen ni las asignaciones. No hacen ni los tests en línea, ni mucho menos hacen absolutamente nada en la plataforma. A las pruebas me remito. Así que, por favor, ya saben lo que tienen que hacer en la plataforma. 3. Vuelvo a recordar, La plataforma hizo un cambio en el segundo quimestre. Usted tiene que trabajar en la asignación. No la puede tener abierta tanto tiempo como usted quiere porque automáticamente se le bloquea. Aparentemente usted completa y termina la información y hasta la envía. Pero si ha estado abierta demasiado tiempo, automáticamente le bloquea y todo lo que usted hizo lo mandó en vano porque no le va a registrar. Hay un poco de gente que tiene abierta la plataforma porque he pedido toda la información y descarga en el mes de diciembre a lo que va de este mes. Y obviamente pues hay gente que no le califica. Recuerda que el sistema le tiene que calcular la información. Yo estoy muy pendiente y reviso cuando hay estudiantes que son muy buenos, muy responsables y obviamente pues me doy cuenta de que algo está pasando. En esos casos, por favor, estoy muy pendiente y trato de ayudar, pero tienen que seguir los parámetros que le implica la plataforma. ¿Ok? Listo, si no hay alguna otra pregunta, perfecto, me quedo en este caso con Pionce y con Estrada en sesión. El resto puede salir de la clase o si usted desea hablar algo conmigo, se queda dentro de la sesión. ¿Ok? El resto del tiempo, por favor, les estoy mandando un poquito más temprano para que trabajen, para que completen lo que están trabajando, no para que se vaya a dormir. ¿Sí? Así que bye, baby. See ya. Bye.
Goodbye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye,
See you.
Miss.
Bye. Take
you.
care. Take
Bye,
care.
teacher.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. Bye. See you. Bye, my dear. Entonces. Okay, Natalia and Manuel. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for this. And obviously we can work on this, right? No sé qué pasó con Misael. Creo que
Dice
se
que
le fue.
se puede dejar ingresar porque se le salió.
No, déjame ver. Recién está ingresando. Ok, chicos, listo. Pueden seguir mientras yo lo dejo entrar a Misael a ver qué me dice.
Thank
Ok.
you, Miss.
Bye, 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 bye.
Muchas gracias.
Ok, Misael, listo. Entonces estaría a la espera de la información para poder darle solución al problema que usted me
Ya,
da. ¿Ok?
listo, Miss.
Bye,
Gracias. Tenga
baby,
buen día.
bye. De igual manera, bien.